Alright guys, here we go. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Oh my god, look at this thing. Wow! This thing really did go crazy. If we have our plate here.
How's it going, guys? Lucas here with a new video. And you might be wondering, what are we doing in the kitchen today? Well, I have an explosive video for you guys, and you're gonna love it. Today, we are doing a build your own volcano. Alright guys, let's get started with what's inside the box today. So, first things first, inside the box we have our volcano plaster, some chemicals, some real volcano bits, which we don't need. We're gonna build our own. We got some paint and a little mold here. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is assemble the mold, and let's get right into that right now. Alright, first step is to connect the two pieces that make up the volcano plaster mold. Now when doing this, you gotta make sure that the parts click together, otherwise your plastic is gonna leak everywhere, and you don't want a leaky volcano. Like so. See, even mine is not sticking. Alright, perfect. Because as you guys can see, we are fully secured here. No leakage is gonna happen. It's all taped up. As I said, they don't recommend you tape it, but I did for extra precautions. Now we're gonna move on to our volcano plaster. Now guys, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of cold water. Alright, so we take our mold, we're gonna put this here, we're just gonna pour it in. And using the stick they gave us, oh, this thing's bubbling. Guys, we are having an earthquake right now. This is not the volcano, but this thing already looks like it's gonna explode. Now you're gonna make sure you get all this stuff in the sides. And this mold is actually already starting to become hard. Okay, so we got this mold here. And I still don't know if it's thick enough, but here we go. We're gonna pour it in right now. And guys, if you can see this, it's definitely not thick. So I think we have to leave the mold to sit a little bit longer to thicken. And yeah, I don't know why they don't recommend you tape this, because right now it's more like a rainstorm than a volcano. I had to tape a bunch of tape on it because I had an issue with the leakage, as you saw. But now we should be good. I'm gonna put it on top of this, and I'm gonna pour it in slowly. And if it leaks,
make sure it doesn't stain my peppers.
It won't.
Uh-oh, it's getting too thick. So guys, we need to pour this quick. Like smacking it on the ground. And there's a lot of air bubbles at the top that I see. That's good. We have the mold all filled up. And let me warn you guys, when you pour the cement stuff in here, it solidifies extremely fast, so you gotta move quick. And like as you can see, it just turns to sand. So yeah, now we have to let this thing sit for about a day or two, and then we paint it and move on to our next step, which is the inside of the volcano. So we'll get right to that very shortly.
3 days later.
Okay guys, so it's been 3 days since you last saw me for the volcano video. And here's what the volcano is looking like. And it actually looks really good once it's painted. Even the inside's painted black.
And now's the moment we've all been waiting for, where we see if we stain the countertops or not. But I have a plate, so it should be good. Let's get right into making the mix for the explosion. Okay, so our first thing to do here is to add all of this powder. Adult supervision required. Okay, and now we're gonna add this eruption powder and mix them together. Ooh, if you guys can see that, it's red to match the lava, which is really cool. So we're just gonna finish pouring all this stuff together and then mix it up. We're gonna mix it up now, and then we're gonna add it to our volcano. All right, so we're gonna be adding a quick little drop of dish soap. Okay, that's enough. That's probably way too much. And now we're gonna be adding a tablespoon of this powder. And we're just gonna eyeball it, because you know what? That looks pretty good. Maybe a little more. All right. Now it is time we've all been waiting for. Alright guys, here we go. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Wow! This thing really did go crazy. Good thing we have our plate here. Alright guys, here we go again. I'm gonna do it a little slower this time. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this, how nice it looks. Look at this volcano. You can even see steam coming off of it. This is crazy. This is the final explosion. Whoa. Ooh, this one's going crazy. Whoa. Okay guys, so there you have it. That was the DIY volcano, and it turned out pretty good. It was a pretty good explosion. Just make sure when you do this, you don't wear white and you don't touch it, because your hands will get really red. And always remember guys, don't stain the countertops. Alright, if you want to see more DIY videos, click that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment down below letting me know what I should do next. I think we're gonna do some moon slime. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.